Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is L'Oreal Kings. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style braids, and my braids are not so much, they're like really scanty. I intentionally wanted this type of braids and I've been loving them so far. I've had them for about almost a week now, I think about 6 days. It has been going great. Also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I keep my hair moisturized and all of the details about this hair at the end of the video. So we're just going to go straight into styling, okay?
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Hello guys, so I'm done styling this hair. I do not want to do some certain styles because I feel the hair is too new for me to start maneuvering it up and down. I'm trying to have it like this for about a week plus, and then maybe in the second week I would start, you know, maneuvering it, like, you know. But now it's still neat, it's still set, it's still fresh. I don't want to mess it up a bit. But anyways, I'm going to talk about the braids and how long my hair is, or these braids are. The braids I used is this Lush Hair Extra Light Soft and Shiny Jumbo braids in the color 30. It's the big pack I used. So the lady that braided my hair, if you're interested in and you want to braid your hair, she comes to your house, you can go to her house. For me, I went to her house. It was really swift. This is the easiest braid I've done, the fastest I've done, and the nicest, one of the nicest I've done. I've done nice braids with other hair stylists, but this is the quickest. It's just very light and loose cut, like big cuts and all of that. It's not so much is going on, and I had to blow dry my hair in order to do this style. So if you're not a heat natural, I don't know how you're going to do that. The length is waist length. I'm like a 5'89", 5'9" tall girl, and it's on my waist, so it's pretty long. And she used just one pack, like there was actually extra hair left from the one pack. When she finished and I realized she used just one pack, I was just like, okay, this is going to be the braids I'm going to be doing whenever I want to braid my hair. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how I protect my hair at night and how I try to keep it as neat as possible, because I want to have this for about 3 weeks. So to protect my hair at night, I always like to use my do-rag. Guys, this do-rag has helped me for life. Like, it has helped me for a long time. So I just take the do-rag, put my hair down, and then take the do-rag and cover my braids. When I'm done tying the do-rag, I like to carry like the extra fabric at the back. I use that to make the hair, the rest of the hair, into a bun at the back. And then sometimes I can tie it with a scarf, or I just go in with my bonnet. This do-rag and this bonnet are from Silkverse, so if you want to purchase yours, you can purchase yours from Silkverse. Just send a DM. Anyways, that's it for how I style my hair, or how I keep my hair neat at night. Do I have any questions, or are there any questions you guys might have? I feel like I've answered everything. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're in Turkey and you want the number of the lady that braided my hair, I'm going to try to get her Instagram or her number. You can message me on Instagram to give you her number. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.